Test for symmetry and graph the equation. Then identify any intercepts. Y equals 64 minus 4x squared. Test for x-axis symmetry. First, write the original equation. Substitute negative y for y. Note that the resulting equation is not equivalent to the original equation, so there is no x-axis symmetry. Test for y-axis symmetry. Write the original equation. Substitute negative x for x. Simplify to get y equals 64 minus 4x squared. Note that the resulting equation is equivalent to the original equation, so there is y-axis symmetry. Test for origin symmetry. Write the original equation. Substitute negative x for x and negative y for y. Simplify to get negative y equals 64 minus 4x squared. Note that the resulting equation is not equivalent to the original equation, so there is no origin symmetry. To graph y equals 64 minus 4x squared, construct a table of values. When x equals negative 4, y equals 0. When x equals negative 2, y equals 48. When x equals 0, y equals 64. When x equals 2, y equals 48. When x equals 4, y equals 0. Plot the points from the table. To graph y equals 64 minus 4x squared, draw a parabola through the plotted points. Note the graph intersects the x-axis at negative 4, 0 and 4, 0. The graph intersects the y-axis at 0, 64. So the x-intercepts are negative 4, 0 and 4, 0. The y-intercept is 0, 64.